the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 6 is generating significant buzz. And while the company has yet to officially unveil the device, leaks, insider information, and regulatory filings all point to an expected release later in 2025. Unlike its predecessors, which focused primarily on incremental updates, the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to introduce a slew of significant improvements, making it a must-have for action sports enthusiasts, adventurers, and filmmakers alike. Since DJI entered the action camera arena with the original Osmo Action in 2019, it has been on an upward trajectory, continuously refining its designs and improving its features. The Osmo Action 5 Pro, for instance, received praise for its solid imaging performance and integration with DJI's broader ecosystem, but it was not without its criticisms. Users noted issues with low-light performance and a lack of professional-grade features, two areas that DJI seems intent on addressing with the Osmo Action 6. When it comes to the Osmo Action 6, DJI seems to be taking a slightly different approach. Rather than completely reinventing the wheel, the company is focusing on fine-tuning the existing design elements that have worked well in the past. Early packaging images suggest that the camera will retain the rugged, compact form factor of its predecessors, which has become a hallmark of the Osmo Action series. However, there are hints of subtle modifications underneath the surface, such as the absence of aperture information on the lens, which could suggest tweaks to the camera's optical design. The 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor found in the Action 5 Pro will likely make a return in the Action 6, offering a balanced combination of image quality and size. However, DJI might enhance the sensor with advanced AI-powered noise reduction algorithms and a newly engineered lens specifically designed to improve low-light performance. Whether you're filming in the dark of night or in poorly lit indoor environments, the Osmo Action May 6 deliver clearer, more vibrant footage without the need for external lighting setups. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Osmo Action 6 is the possibility of stacked sensor technology. Stacked sensors, which have become a standard feature in many high-end Sony cameras, enable faster readout speeds, reducing the effects of rolling shutter and motion blur. For action sports enthusiasts,